The 5 most unsettling noises you hear in your walls. 1. A faint scratching sound echoes at night, creating a sense of dread and paranoia. 2. A low, muffled whisper sends chills down your spine, evoking feelings of fear and isolation. 3. Sudden thumping reverberates through the walls, triggering anxiety and thoughts of the unknown. 4. An eerie creaking noise suggests movement, stirring up past traumas and heightening your senses. 5. A distant, ghostly wail leaves you feeling vulnerable, igniting imaginations of lost souls nearby. Join us for more spine-chilling stories and subscribe.